Hello everyone. Want to learn German the easy way? Then this channel is made for you.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This video is divided into two parts. The first part are the easiest ones. The German verbs, with the exception of n, are exactly the same as the English verbs, while the second part has only slight consonants and vowel changes, as well as slight difference in the pronunciations. However, I can assure you that you will be amazed that you actually knows these words already. So you won't need to memorize them. So let us begin. To find,
finden, finden,
to fall,
fallen, fallen,
to bring,
bringen, bringen,
to halt,
halten, halten,
to sing,
singen, singen,
to sink,
sinken, sinken,
to land,
landen, landen,
to send,
senden, senden,
to start,
starten, starten,
to check,
checken, checken,
to pack,
packen, packen,
to press,
pressen, pressen,
to plan,
planen, planen,
to manage,
managen, managen,
to tie,
binden, binden,
to box,
boxen, boxen,
to bomb,
bomben, bomben,
to warn,
warnen, warnen,
to blink,
blinken, blinken,
to stop,
stoppen, stoppen,
to test,
testen, testen.
Most modern English nouns or verbs can easily be converted to a German verb. To park,
Packen, packen,
to browse,
brausen, brausen,
to film,
filmen, filmen,
to design,
designen, designen,
to boot,
boten, boten,
to post,
posten, posten,
to surf,
surfen, surfen,
to text,
texten, texten,
to zoom.
zoomen, zoomen.
Thank you for watching. You can get a list of these verbs, including examples. All you have to do is like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.